Hello viewers. So we are doing the measure of central tendency of ungrouped data. Okay. So now our topic is median. From statistics, our topic is median. So for that we have to know that what is median. Okay. After arranging the given data in an ascending or descending order of magnitude, the value of the middlemost observation is called the median of the data. Understood that? So that means, suppose we have some data 1 4 5 1 4 5 7 9. Okay, so if we arrange this in ascending order, this is also this is arranged in ascending order. Now suppose if it was given in the another form, that is 1 9 7 5 4, this order. So first we have to arrange it in ascending or descending order. Understood that? So if we arranging in ascending order, if we arrange it, so what is the ascending order? 1 4 5 7 9. This is my ascending order. So the median is the middle most value of this order. So this is my median, that is 5. 5 will be my median. Again, if we do it in descending order, so 9 7 5 4 1. So here also the middlemost value is 5. So this is my median. Understood that? So now we have to find the median by using method. Now what is the method of finding the median? Okay. Arrange the data. We have to arrange the data in increasing or decreasing order of magnitude, and if we have to take, let the total number of observation. Okay, first we have to take the total number of observations. We are taking x1 x2 x3 dot 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 xn. Okay, so first we have to arrange this in ascending or descending order. So let its ascending order be x1 x2 x3 xn. Okay, and descending order be xn xn minus 1 xn minus 2 dot 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 x1. Okay, so for finding the median there will be two formula for finding the median. Okay, in first case 1, when n is odd, we are taking n numbers over here. So in the first case, when n is odd, then the median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 term. Okay, n plus 1 2th term or observation. Understood that? Next come to case 2. Case 2. When n is even. When n is even. Okay. So for case 2, the median formula for finding the median, that should be what? N by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, this is the required median. Understood that? So this is n by 2 as term or observation. Term or observation of the observation. So that will be my median. So hope you understood that. So without delaying, I am come to one example so that you can understand. The run of, let us take one example. The example is given here that the run of 11 member of a cricket team are given below. The run is given. What are the runs? 15, next 29, next 43, next 13, next 31, next 50, next 20, next 0, next 27, next 56, next 34. So these are the runs given below, given by 11 members in a cricket team. Okay, so we have to find the median here. So since here 11 cricketer, 11 members are here. So my value of n is equal to what? 11. So that is an odd number. So that is the odd number. So we should apply which formula? This formula should be applied for that, for finding the median. Understood that? So now our next work is to arrange this data in ascending order or descending order, whatever. Also we are arranging it in ascending order. We are arranging it in ascending order. So if we arrange it, so we are getting 0, next 13, next 15, next 20, next 27, next 29, next 31, next 34, next 34 is done. Next I think 43, next 50, next 56. Okay, so this is my required ascending order. So this is the ascending order. So my median should be, median is equal to 11 plus 1 by 2th term. That means 12 by 2. That means 6th term. So if we are moving to 6th term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this. Okay. So median should be here. Median should be equal to 29. So that will be my answer. Understood that? That is my required median. So let us take one more example so that you can understand. So the weight of 10 student in kilogram. So this is example number 1. Let's take another example. Example number 2. Example number 2. So the weight of 10 student are given. What are the weight? 36 10 student. 36, 45, next 31, next 52, next 35, next 40, next 55, next 60, 38 and 44. Okay, so these are the 10. Now since 10 students are told here, 10 students, 10 students told here, so here value of n is equal to what? 10, that is even number. The value of n is equal to even number. So we should apply case 2. When n is even, we should apply this formula. Understood that? So that means the median should be, median is equal to 10 by 2, 10 by 2h term plus 10 by 2 plus 1h term by 2. Okay. So if we calculate that, 10 by 2h term means fifth term. So fifth term should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 35. This is my fifth term. Next, fifth plus 1 is sixth term, 40 divided by 2. Understood that? Sorry. Actually, there are some mistakes. So we have to find the median of this. Okay. So actually first we have to arrange this in ascending order. Ascending order. We have to make it at ascending order. So again, if we making that at ascending order, so that's equals to 31, next 36, next 38, sorry, 31, next 35, 35, next 36, next 38, next 40, next 44, okay, next 45, next 45, next 52, 52, 52, next 55, 55, next 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 observations are there. So again we are applying this formula, case 2. Okay. So my median should be from here, median is equal to what? N by 2s term plus n by 2 plus 1s term by 2. Understood? Now, what is my n by 2s term? Here the value of n is equal to 10. That means 10 by 2s term plus 10 by 2 plus 1s term means 10 by 2 plus 1s term divided by 2. So that's equals to, this is fifth term, fifth plus sixth term whole term by 2. Okay. So here my fifth term is 1 2 3 4 5, fifth term is 40 and sixth term is 44 divided by 2. So if the result should be get, that is 42. So 42 is my median value. So that is my required median. Okay. So when n is even and when n is odd, we should go through this process. Understood that? So again, so here the median should be 42 kg. Okay, and here median was 29. Understood? Hope you understood that. Medium should be. So median, this 29 is the median score. Hope you understood that. Next, move to the another formula. Formula should be same. These are the median for ungrouped data. Okay, these are the formula for ungrouped data. Now again we have to find the median for discrete data, discrete series. The formula should be same. When n is odd, for discrete and ungrouped, both formula should be like that. Understood that? This is the formula to finding the median. Okay, actually we have to remember that if we arrange a series or some observations as ascending order or descending order, then median should be, we have to find the median should be the middlemost value. That we have to understand. Median should be the middlemost value of that regarding observations. If we have find that, then we should, if we remember that, then we can easily find the median value of the median. Understood that? So that is for the median. So I will next come to another topic of measure of central tendency, statistics. That topic is known as mode. Understood that? Mode of ungrouped data. So this is median. Next we are going to mode. Now what is mode? First we have to tell the definition of mode. What is mode? For an individual data, mode is the value of the variable which occur most frequently. Understood that? Which occurs most frequently. That is called the mode. That is, suppose we are taking some data, that is 1 2 3 5 6 7 1 1 9. Okay, we have to find the mode of this distribution. Understood that? So for that, this is the ungrouped data. Okay, this is not group data, this is ungrouped data. Okay, no class interval should be created over here. So here we have to find, if we have to find the mode, we have to count that which number of observation occurs most time. So from here we are getting that 1 and 1. 1 occurs 3 times, 2 occurs 1 times, 3 occurs 1 times. Okay, 5 occurs 1 time, 6 occurs one time, 7 occurs one time, and 9. Both are all are occurring one time. Only one is occurring here 3 times. So the mode of this distribution, mode should be what? 1. 1 is my required mode. Understood that? Now come to one important formula. The formula named as empirical formula for calculating mode. Empirical formula for calculating mode. Okay. Now what is the formula? Formula is mode is equal to 3 into median. Mode is equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. So that is my formula. Okay, empirical formula. So that means if one distribution is given to us and we have to find the mode. Okay, so for that first we have to find the median, next first we have to find the mean, next to the median, next by using empirical formula we are getting the mode. Understood that? Now that's it. That's the preliminary idea regarding median and mode. Understood that? So now I want to start exercise from R.S. Agarwal math book of class 9. The exercise is EX14G. So before we are going to start EX14G related to median and mode, we are going to start today exercise 14F, that is related to the mean. Okay, from R.S. Agarwal math book. So that video I will going to start. Okay.